As the population is increasingly growing and expected to continue doing so until 2086, cities are overpopulating and infrastructure is overloading with vehicles. Despite the need to become more sustainable and prevent depletion of natural resources, yearly a mere 85.4 million motor vehicles are produced, adding to the current total of 1.4 billion motor vehicles on Earth. Research has indicated that of these 1.4 billion vehicles, only 5% is used at a time, and that one vehicle can be effectively shared by up to 11 drivers. Curb is an interactive armrest designed to be implemented in the future scenario where all cars are shared level 3 autonomous vehicles. Curb is a tool that can be used to give back a bit of control to the driver, visualizing the input that the user supplies through interacting with the personal handheld control. Through visualizing this input and the vehicle's response to this input, the user feels included in the AV's decision and more appreciating for their abilities as a driver. Besides the sense of control, Curb reacts to the surrounding traffic situations, creating shared experiences, bringing about a bond between the AV and the user, and therefore increasing psychological sense of ownership that the users feel over the AV. This psychological feeling of ownership ultimately results in mutual respect and less property damage, which is a big problem regarding current shared vehicle services. Curb tries to create this bond and sense of control through displaying different moving or static patterns with the shape of the tiles. These patterns are inspired by different qualities of nature, such as the scales of a fish or the feathers of a bird, and range from calm to rushed and from smooth to spiky, evoking similar responses in the user as these behaviors do in their own species. The control panel where the personal key is inserted into the AV is placed in the middle of the moving panel, making it easy for users to venture their hands out to the panel and feel the different movements as they are performing other tasks, such as reading a book or writing an email. Curb, creating an effortless symbiotic relationship between user and shared AV.